Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu to address nation on the eve of Independence Day today. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo unveiled an autumn calendar. Untimely demise of Chesterfield Thank You has delayed and has also created a problem for the peace process, says Sadon K. Blah. And crime rate on the rise in West Khasi Hills district. Police urge cooperation from the public. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu will address the nation today on the eve of Independence Day. It will be broadcasted from 7 p.m. on the entire national network of Akash Vani and telecast over all Doordarshan channels in Hindi, followed by an English version. It will be followed by the regional version of the address of regional channels of Doordarshan. Akash Vani will broadcast regional language versions at 9:30 p.m. on its regional networks. Paul Lingdo, Tourism Minister of Meghalaya, has unveiled an autumn calendar of the upcoming events aimed at enhancing the state's reputation as the ultimate tourist destination in the country. Kicking off the series, the much-anticipated Meghalaya Fest is scheduled from October 12 to 14th at Ribhoi district. Following suit is the Shillong Literary Festival starting from November 14 to 16, which has emerged as a major crowd puller in recent years. Not to be missed is the famed Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, which is set to captivate visitors from November 17th to 19th. Adding to the excitement, the Megong Festival and the Winter Tales Festival are also slated from November, creating a vibrant atmosphere that showcases Meghalaya's rich culture.
We will be having the Meghalaya Kayak Fest. Meghalaya Kayak Fest. At Ribhoi, which part of Ribhoi? Umtham. Ribhoi district. And this will be followed by the Shillong Literary Festival, Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. This will be scheduled to be held on November 17th till the 19th. That is immediately after the Literary Fest. Will be the Shillong Cherry Blossom Fest, November 17 till 19. Also in the month of November, we will be hosting the Megong Festival.
Hindu Trap National Liberation Council HNLC, representative to the ongoing peace parleys with the government and president of the Hindu Trap National Youth Front HNYF Sadon K. Blah on Sunday said that the untimely demise of former General Secretary of the outfit Chesterfield Thank You had delayed and has also created a problem for the peace process. Blah said that the leaders of the HNLC who are here for the peace talks made it a point to be present in person to pay their respect to the ex-leader. When asked, Blah said that the death of its former General Secretary 2 years ago is under the scrutiny of the Meghalaya High Court and he will not make any comment because it is a matter under the purview of the court.
Happened in Mama 2 years ago is under the scrutiny of the High Court of Meghalaya. So I will not make any comment regarding the satisfaction or not satisfaction of it because it is a matter under the purview of the court and the court is scrutinizing the entire report. So we will have to wait for the court report and to express our satisfaction or dissatisfaction.
The Superintendent of Police of West Khasi Hills District, Bikram D. Marak, said that the crime cases in this district occur everywhere from time to time. However, he has also said that this could be a positive sign as it means that people are more likely to report crimes to the police since they have faith in the police. In an interview, Bikram said that there are a number of reasons why crime may be on the rise in the district, but he would not be able to give the specific reason, but crimes do take place in the present scenario. He said that all police units are undertaking various awareness in terms of various crimes, with special preference of POCSO, crime against women and other related crimes. He also urged the public to cooperate with the police by reporting any suspicious activity, and that the police have a 24-hour helpline 112 which can be used to report crimes.
I will not be able to give the specific reason, but crime do takes place in this present scenario. We go through to curtail the crime. That also, the crime, it's a vast subject. We have various heads, like for the special cases are like crime against women and children, where the police, all the police units are out in the field for giving awareness to the people, so that people, when any crime takes place, they come forward and report the matter so that we investigate and can give a justice to the people.
In a significant step towards ensuring the safety and well-being of children and women, Paul Lyngdoh, the Social Welfare Minister, announced on Monday that the government has taken active measures to activate the helpline number 181. This helpline serves as a lifeline for individuals in need, offering vital assistance to those facing challenges and vulnerabilities. Highlighting the comprehensive approach, Lyngdoh shared that a dedicated website has been launched to complement the helpline services. This aims at streamlining access to assistance and information, ensuring that the services provided are optimized and easily accessible to those seeking support. The Child and Women Helpline number 181 has long been a crucial resource for individuals in distress.
Activated the Women Helpline, which is 181 Women Helpline, and I would request you to visit the Directorate office, because we have installed the latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system. And also there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak.
A powerful display of compassion and unity unfolded as leaders and members of Sinjuk Kiseng Samlash Nong Riboy district joined hands with HDFC Bank Nongpo branch in a blood donation drive at the blood bank of Civil Hospital Nongpo. This initiative, driven by the organization, deep-rooted commitment to social welfare, witnessed a remarkable turnout. At the forefront of this humanitarian effort were Banprang's Aim, the advisor, and Ariston Rindong Sngi, chairman of Sinjuk Kiseng Samlash Nong, both leading by example through their personal blood donations. He also revealed the organization's intent to establish a dedicated blood donation cell, fostering a close partnership with the blood bank of Civil Hospital Nongpo.
Soba ya kasnam gejongi saya ki pardo kasnam lingi kamtam e gitu kiba duan negeri ngi beduk ba da ka bangi ai subhai kasnam kenang ba enla menpensingan ba kene ka bang kadon be kasnam ba tada kinu ni nong pang krono por ki kam kinyo ya kasnam gejoki.
Meghalaya is all set to join the rest of the nation to celebrate Independence Day. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will unfurl the tricolour at an official function at Polo Ground, Shillong. The venue is decorated with tricolour, saffron, white and green. Final dress rehearsal for the big day is done. Amid the ongoing security scenario in the state, Meghalaya Police has beefed up security ahead of Independence Day. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.4 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18.1 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 88% and in the evening 98%, rainfall 40 millimeters. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu to address nation on the eve of Independence Day today. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo unveiled an autumn calendar. Untimely demise of Cherestipil Thank You had delayed and had also created a problem for the peace process, says Sadon K. Bla. And crime rate on the rise in West Khasi Hills district. Police urge cooperation from the public. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
आकाशवाणी